Finding a recipe that's simple, delicious, and made in your own kitchen can be overwhelming. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we make it easy for you with a great recipe, maple chili pork chops. So let's get started. Let's make the marinade. Let's check the seasoning. And it's perfect. Let's marinate the pork chops. While the chops are marinating, let's prepare the carrots. Set your timer for 20 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Pork chops have a surprisingly rich and flavorful history. Pigs were first domesticated in China around 7000 BC. Early cooks likely roasted thick cuts of pork over open flames. European settlers brought pigs to the New World in 1493, making pork chops a key part of the American diet. Let's cook the pork chops. Let's prepare the creamy grits. Time to build the dish. The grits look amazing. Now that is one juicy pork chop. And of course the carrots round out the party. Let's add some of those leftover pan juices. Finish with some chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this meal is a perfect balance of sweet, smoky, and spicy that'll elevate your weeknight dinner experience. And of course, the sweet carrots and creamy grits make a complete meal for you and your guests. You will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one simple and delicious meal. Stay with us. Watch the next video.